Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the AI Millionaire channel.
Welcome to the Millionaire channel, welcome baby.
Now, I'm sure all of you have already heard of the chatbot that everyone is talking about by the name ChatGPT.
I swear to God, you can say ChatGPT one more time.
It's so amazing that it can do so many cool things for you. All you have to do is ask. Did you know that ChatGPT can write songs?
Hey, a millionaire. 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 Let's go. Listen up, y'all. Let me tell you about it. That is so fly. A millionaire making money in the place of a die.
It can also write emails, code, and even write an entire ebook. Yeah, you heard me right. I recently did a little experiment to see how good ChatGPT actually is, and my goodness me. This AI is incredible. ChatGPT wrote an entire ebook for me, including the title and the contents, and I can tell you for free, guys, it did an amazing job. So being the ambitious entrepreneur that I am. Wait, you thought they call me the AI millionaire for nothing?
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Yeah, I'm a millionaire and a millionaire. Smash the like button and subscribe, baby.
So I went ahead and published the book on Amazon KDP. But here comes the scary part.
You don't scare me!
Days after I had published my book, or should I say the ChatGPT book, and was starting to get some red time in Kindle, I even started dreaming about buying the yacht I have always wanted. It was just a matter of time before the millions started coming in. But hey, if it were that easy, everyone would be swimming in millions, in it.
All I see is millions and millions and millions. I see nothing but the millions.
Days later, I received a very disturbing email from Amazon saying I got banned from the platform.
Surprise, motherfucker!
They said that my book had misleading information that had the potential to mislead their customers. And that's not all. I also received another email saying that my book had received a copyright strike, and another author is claiming that I used their content. So, in case you were planning on taking the same route as I did and make your millions on ebook sales, then you have it wrong, my friend. You're going to have to do more than just that to make it in the ebook selling business. Of course, there are ways to get around these types of errors and prevent your books from being banned in whatever platform that you're publishing your ebooks. And while I can't promise you that your books will sell, at least you won't get banned like I did. But don't worry, I've got your back. If you want to learn the secrets to successful ebook selling without getting banned, then hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I reveal the secret. And here's a fun fact for you guys. Did you know that ChatGPT can also give you recommendations for amazing travel destinations? That's right, it's not just limited to writing ebooks. So if you're looking to plan your next vacation, ask ChatGPT for some ideas. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Now listen to this song I created with AI. I wouldn't call it a song, but anyway, good luck.
Listen up, you all need to begin to fly. I know they're making money into it at night.
Oh, hey!